Known Aziz Gilatwala.
You're from?
I'm from Bahrain, but I'm here representing the GCC as a whole. Our company name is Dadabai Travel. We have our headquarters in Bahrain, but we also have a presence in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, and the United Arab Emirates.
Did you travel all the way from Bahrain, or you just joined it from New Delhi?
I flew into New Delhi first, and then from Delhi I flew in here. Yes.
Tell me something, is your first visit to India or Jammu and Kashmir?
It's my first visit to Kashmir, but it's not my first visit to India.
Okay, so how did you find the environment here and since from the airport, the welcoming thing and all other things?
The whole experience has been fantastic. Kashmir is a beautiful state. It has so much natural beauty. You only hear stories about it before you visit, and then you realize when you get here that it's so much more than what people tell you and the pictures that you see. It's something that you have to see for yourself with your own eyes to fully understand just how beautiful it is. The experience from the second we landed has also been fantastic. The hospitality and the welcome and the organization was all top tier. They did a phenomenal job organizing everything for us.
How beneficial will be this G20 meet for the Kashmir?
We'll have to see. I genuinely believe that myself and the other international delegates have a big job to do once we go back. Kashmir has done a very good job of marketing itself naturally, but now it's our responsibility to take that extra step and make sure that we can promote the destination as somewhere that people from our part of the world will be tempted to travel to as well.
You will be going back to your country. What message will you give about the Kashmir?
I will tell people that for people who want to experience true natural beauty in its most pure form, that Kashmir is one of the few places on the planet where they can get that type of experience. I'll also tell them about the people and how welcoming and hospitable they've been, and all the other various aspects of this place that I can take back home with me. I'll be sure to convey as well.
Before I say again officially to you as Ahlan wa Sahlan, but before that, I want to know how was your experience right now while this film side event is going on, the promotion of the film tourism as film sustaining thing. So do you think Bahrain or Saudi Arabia, the industry there, they will also come here for the shooting in Kashmir and other parts of India?
I think that there's definitely potential for aspiring filmmakers in Saudi Arabia and the GCC as a whole to explore Kashmir and also the rest of India as for locations where they can get the true essence that their movies and their productions are trying to express to their audiences.